Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Telegram search can't working. So if the Telegram search isn't working, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now to fix this, so what you have to do is, first of all, you will check for an internet connection. So all you need to do is swipe down and long press the internet icon and go to the connections. Now you could restart or refresh your Wi-Fi connection, as well as restart your modem and a router. That could be able to help. Now, other than that, what you also want to make sure to do is to fix it. So you want to make sure to force quit or relaunch the app. That is, exit out of this particular page and go to Telegram or login. Locate Telegram and then long press, click on app info icon. And here come the storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so just leave it as it is. And after which, you also want to make sure to go to your respective app store and update your app to the latest version. Now, in my case, I'm using an Android, so I have to go to the Play Store. But if you're using an iOS, go to App Store, locate Telegram on your device. When you locate Telegram, make sure that the Telegram application is completely up to date, and that is going to help you out as well. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, you also want to make sure to restart your device, or you could check for a conflicting app. That is, some apps such as those with screen overlays or aggressive battery saver might interfere with the Telegram's functionality as well. You could try temporarily disabling these apps to see if the issue resolves or not. In some cases, if you're using any sort of VPN or extension, that can also cause an issue, so you want to make sure to disable that. And likewise, if none of the above steps work, you want to make sure to contact the Telegram support, and that's going to help you out. So what you need is, here you want to exit out of this page, go to the Chrome browser, type in telegram.org/support, and this is going to take you to a submit page. Submit your request and they will be able to help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.